Hi, my name is Joaquin Luis Custosa and this is Daring Calderon. And we're at Custosa's residence at exactly 9:31 and we're gonna make empanada.
These are the ingredients: chicken breast, all-purpose flour, raisins, black pepper and chicken cube, green peas and butter, potato, onion, garlic, baking powder, one raw egg, salt, sugar, and carrots. First, in making the filling, heat up the pan. Then, add the garlic, then add the chicken to the pan. After na magisa, ilagay yung put the chicken cubes and add some water. Wait for it to be brown. After it became brownish, add the potato. Huh? And the carrots. After a little bit simmering, simmer the pan. Ito rin halo-halo. Add the green peas. Next, the raisins. And add the sugar.
Nakuha mo na. Kuha ka na lang ba?
After simmering it, add the salt. And a little bit of pepper. And simmer it. In making the dough, you need to mix all the dry ingredients. You need the baking powder, the sugar, and the salt. We already mixed the dry ingredients. After mixing all the dry ingredients, add the butter. And mix it. After mixing the dough with the water, add some cold water. After mixing the dough, get get a little bit of the dough and make a circle out of it. Ako mo ganyan yun. Sige. Kuha ka pa konti. Kuha ka pa konti. Kuha ka pa konti. Yan. Yan. Flatten the dough and put some filling. But if you have this can make it easily. Put the flattened dough in the hilmahan kung Tagalog, and put some filling. And squish it. And put the and
Uy, yung panada. Ang dami palaman. Ang dami yung magagawa palaman.
Hindi mo na maigi. Para
and
masarap.
the excess dough. Pre-taste na po.
Ang init? Ang init?
Sarap. Siyempre kami gumawa yan eh.
Lasa ng ibabaw yung chicken.
Yung mabaw ng chicken? Chicken.
Balik niyo na. Papay. Tikim.
Kikyan.
Isa pa.
Sarap.
Sarap. De Marites.
Ako pa? Ako pa talaga.
Isang ano lang? Isang
Okay na yun.
tama na yun.